For my country, I did Japan, so 5G in Japan. What is 5G? 5G is a network that pretty much makes your devices go at least 10 times faster than what they are now. Using this network makes it much easier to use your phone in a crowded space. You could have multiple devices on one server be just as fast without network and connection slowing down or having to worry about that. Who is using 5G? Most countries are already using 5G, not just Japan, but 5G in Japan is definitely one of the leading countries that are using 5G, and their technology is really popular that US is wanting to invest a lot of money into Japan to use 5G for their networks as well. Two of the companies that are using 5G that are popular are SoftBank and KDDIAU, which are both network mobile service providers. Why are Japan using 5G? Well, why wouldn't they want to use a faster network? Japan makes a lot of income from the US for using 5G, like I talked about in the last slide. US providers sent in 2019 more than $720 million in telecom equipment. Where are they using 5G? 5G is being pushed by the government as they see how much revenue they're getting from international to Japan. Companies want to see more technology and use technology from Japan. Mostly things that are being used, like where they're being used, is mobile carriers, base stations, and fiber optics. So when is Japan using 5G? They're already using it right now in this very second. By the end of 2020, all servers are using 5G. That still doesn't mean that there's still more technology to come with 5G, that they're still trying to improve it and to make it better. But most providers have been using it since the end of 2020. How is this good for the environment, or how could this help solve environmental issues? 5G actually does have a lot of environmental benefits as 5G helps with the better use of energy and natural resources, as well in helping in the process of using less waste products. So these are my two truths and one lie. The first one is 45 million people in Japan are using 5G. The second one is SoftBank is Japan's #1 mobile carrier. And number 3 is by 2025, Docomo plans to invest over $7 billion to expand its network.